on the vendors page, there's not a whole lot to be done just to add your vendors primarily, but you will be linking them to the items that you use Kanbans for, or just items you stock in general or special order. And so I've opened up one of these vendors, Hafele. We have a type where you can have one or more types of things that you can buy from this company. In this case, we can buy functional hardware, decorative hardware, and accessories. Then you would have an email. If there's someone you email orders to, you would want that in here. Otherwise, we probably would use this website URL to order. So these are the items that live in the accessories database that we would purchase from this Hafele vendor. And these are the items that live in the inventory database that we would purchase from Hafele. Then we have a phone number if we need to call them, and a rank, how we feel about them, and they're a primary vendor in most people's minds. They really do a good job. Then your terms with them, whether you have an open account or whether you're paying with a credit card, the URL to order from or just to get to their website, then their physical address. I haven't really figured out how we could use this yet. I think the lead times are not going to be here. I think they're going to be on the individual items. I just don't see how this is helpful because the lead time for individual items wouldn't be the same from any one single vendor. So that probably will go away. That's why there's 3 question marks after that. And then if you can get their logo and put it there, your vendor's catalog will look better, as you're seeing in the background here that each one of these has a logo. But that's it. That's really all there is to the vendor database. You're adding them to have this contact information and then to link the things, the accessories, and the inventory that you would be purchasing from them. So that's it for vendors.